Girls, I think I can see you through the smoke and haze. Yes. Okay, we have a full train. All right, before we get underway, let me just remind you that while the train's in motion, please remain seated, keeping your hands, legs, arms, head, and feet inside the train at all times. And please, no eating or drinking except for water. Now, if you do have little ones with you, we do ask that the adults please sit at the end of the row if that's not practical. And please make sure those kids are held or are easily within your reach. Thank you. As we start to leave the Sixth Street platform, let's wave goodbye to Mike, our station master, along with Amy and Laura, who are also station masters here today, filling in. So Mike will get a break. And we're about to enter the Railroad Junction District here at Springfield Village. The first building we can see here at the junction is the Depot building. Built in 1858, it was located in the small Michigan town of Smiths Creek. That's roughly 10 miles southwest of Port Huron. And it was located on the Grand Trunk Railroad line that ran it all the way from Port Huron down to Detroit and back. Now the building's claim to fame is that young Thomas Edison used to work in this building from time to time. As he was working on the train, he would stop here and sell newspapers and candy to customers who were waiting inside the lobby area. Now, one of our newer additions to Greenville Village is the vegetable building, which was part of the Detroit Central Market. It's an open-air market building to our left, and they used to sell fruits, vegetables, and flowers out in that location. It was originally built in 1860 and being used until 1894. And then they tore it down, bundled it all up, and moved it over to Belle Isle, Detroit River, where the University. And right now we're passing the Detroit Toledo and Milwaukee Roundhouse. This is where we service and maintain our steam locomotives as well as our rolling stock. Our roundhouse is based on a roundhouse that was built in Marshall, Michigan back in 1884. Now that building remained in use until the 1930s, and then at that point the furnace factory for a period. When the building began to fall apart, we were able to secure some of the parts of that original roundhouse and use them in the construction.